Hello friends, today we are here for demonstrating our Android training program, and today so I'm Ravi Sinkareva. I'm an Android developer, and I will demonstrate this program to you. And today we have a demo classes on these following topic: evolution of Android, version of Android, Android overview, who can develop Android app, and how to start. And at the last, architecture and hello world program we will made in this class. So let's take a start with the evolution of Android. And the evolution of Android is, we can say that it started from July 2005 when Android acquired one of the companies called Android. This is the starting point of Android operating system, especially designed for mobile devices. And this operating system is totally developed in the Linux. It is totally based off Linux. At the end, in November 2007, one of the organization is created open handset areas. This is the organization. You can see that of lot of big names. You can see that in the picture: Samsung, Intel, Toshiba, Asus, Acer. Lot of electronics companies, and Google is also there. This is the organization is not only like software, electronic, and computer hardware, semiconductor companies is there. So this whole organization is support to Android in the market launching, and in Android lot of versions are there, and so we will review what is the version of Android here. And the starting of Android in 2008, when the first alpha version is released, and it's followed by beta, and the first complete version is released, is called Cupcake, and after that Donut, Eclairs, Froyo, Gingerbread, Honeycomb, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jelly Bean, and at the end its latest is Kit Kat. So this is the history of Android, and in this history you can see that there is a specific thing is called whole name of the Android version is based on the candies, and the special thing is that the naming is followed by the characters alphabet. So the first version is started by A, and after that B is beta, C for cupcake, D for donut, E for eclair, and that kind of thing they are following, and at the end Kit Kat, K. So we can imagine that the next version of Android name is started by L. Anyone guys can imagine the name? Again we will see in the piece, and we have a little bit overview of Android. What is Android and what kind of devices in the market for Android? So basically this is Android. You can see in the market. Here is lot of devices based on the Android technology, and you can see that these are mobile, TV, tablet, computer, video games, wearable device, and also the healthcare devices is now in the market. Musical device, it's great demand in market now. So we can say that in the electronic market Android is everywhere. So a lot of opportunities with the Android nowadays, day by day it's increase in the market, and in the base of that we have organized this program specifically for you. And in the technical side of Android, so Android basically is one of the operating system, especially for mobile devices. Not for especially mobile, it's mobile devices. Any kind of devices we can develop with the help of Android. So what is the Android is that? And full form software stack including application. What is this? Full form software stack. It is the complete package of developing Android, including application. Means there is a lot of examples including in this package. When we download Android, there is two things. One of the development kit and with the helping application. You can see the application examples and after that build it according to the example, or you can customize these example also. And the third thing is it's based on Linux operating system. This is the great thing we have in Linux, and developed by Google and OHA. So we cannot say that it's totally developed by Google, because the OH is also support for developing Android, and you can also support if you want to develop Android, and if you want to add something in Android, you can do that. The last is great thing, an open platform for developer, user and industry. It is open platform. Anyone can develop Android application, Android device, and in the base of Android you can develop any kind of devices and without any license. You do not require any specific license, without the paying money to anyone. You can start development, and 100% Java. If you know Java and little bit Java, then it's very easy to develop an Android app or Android device. If you know the Java. And now we move for the architecture. So this is the architecture of Android. Here you can see that there is a 5 layer. One is the application framework, library, hardware access layer, and at the end Linux kernel member. There the kernel of this operating system is written in the Linux 0.1.2. And now we are working in the application layer. So I am here for introduce you over the application layer. There is the layered architecture. You can see that. So layer by layer we can develop app and we can modify it. If you want to modify in any of the label, like if you want to add another device like a CD or DVD device in Android, it's also possible. You just make a driver for it and add it in Linux kernel level. And if you develop an application, then you can develop it and add it in application layer. So this is layered architecture. You can see that you can develop anything in any of the label, and you can add it in any of the label. And these are the built-in libraries. Lot of libraries in Android. Just because of these libraries, very popular in very short period of time. These are SQLites are there, WebKits, SSL, GPS are there, Bluetooth, camera, audio, graphics. These are the very exciting feature in the Android. And so now who can start Android development? It's not matter if you belongs to any of the stream. Anyone, it's belong to any of the stream. You can develop Android application. Minimum qualification there is not applicable to any of the student of this program. If you belongs to the primary level, you can develop Android application. If you belongs to the graduation level, you can. Post graduation also can. But the last thing, no basic of Java. But for these, you should know what is Java and what is the concept of Java for developing it. If you don't know, just read it, the basic concept of Java, and you start development on the Android. And the next thing is how to start it. This is great. JDK. First, we need JDK in your system. The JDK is Java Development Kit, and when you install Java Development Kit in your system, you just move to download ADT, and ADT is Android Development Tool. It is the kind of bundle, totally bundle means there is the two things. One is Eclipse and another is ADT. This is the combined thing is called bundle here. If you want to download it, you just go to developer.android.com and you can download the ADT bundle. And the third thing is Android device. It's an optional thing. If you don't have Android device, it's not it's optional. You want to if you don't have, then you can just create the emulator of Android in any version and just run your application and test it. Just so, and this is the Android development tool. You start it when you download, and after downloading you just click on the icon of launcher icon, and after that you see this images in your system. So this is the Android development tool. And last thing is how to learn it. How to learn the development. For this we are here. That's the things we are here. We have supported you for learning Android development. So according to the market requirement, we have made one program with 60 sessions. Every session have a 1 hour and 30 minute session. 1 hour we take for development class and 30 minutes for question answer, your doubt and our exercise. So basically this is the structure of our class. You can see it, and for the syllabus, just like that, creating a first application, UI overview, designing principle, basic building block, managing activity life cycle. So this is included in our syllabus, and yeah, this is the starting of our classes. So we have total number of 60 sessions. Just like if we talking about the first session, this is the overview of Android. So we can cover 3 things in this class. What is the Android features of Android and Android applications? What kind of application we will build for Android here. And the second session is environmental setup. What is the exactly how to start developing Android with the specific tools we have and specific tools we have purchased specifically for Android. Free provide to you. No need to download that. Architecture, step by step layered architecture we will explain in the third class of this, and followed by the application component, essential component. So in Android there is lot of component according to the requirement we will use it, but before the using of that you should learn it, how to use it, and we will support you for learning this. Hello Bird example. After completing these 4 classes you are able to Hello Bird example creating. So in this class we have 6 great things like creating application and then running of the application, and how to organize the 6 classes for resource, 7 for activity, and these manifest, features, services, broadcast receiver, content provider, fragment. So these are the structure of our class, and we have a very professional manner for showing you how to learn these class. The step-by-step process is here. You can see in our program also. Sending email, SMS, location and sensor, okay, connectivity, HTTP client, data and storage. These are the animation, graphics, text editor, basic practice and publishing Android application. So we have 16 sessions with 23 on 23 topics here. So basically this is the just overview of our program. You can see that everything is we have here. So I hope you will join this, and if you have any query then you can ask me to the completion of the demo classes here. Okay.